there. Cindy Johnson here with Pratt Homes. Glad you could join me. We're going to take you on a tour of the St. James floor plan. This is a buyer-owned home that we're taking you on a private preview through to check it out before it changes hands. So come on in. So this is the entryway. Just beautiful. A beautiful fixture. Nice big floor plan here. The foyer is large with that arched entryway. Makes it really welcoming coming in. Turning back towards the door here, we've got window here off to the side with room for a bench on the bottom. And then of course your front door with the transom above and a side light. Brings in a lot of light. This particular homeowner chose to do the site finished oak. It's a red oak flooring, which is lovely. Really turned out nice. I like the stain on it. Nice big entry closet here. Plenty of room in there. And then coming in, we've got the vaulted ceiling with beautiful beams, our custom crafted beams by our carpenters. They do a beautiful job. And she did some cabinetry, flanking this fireplace, a natural gas fireplace with cultured stone around it. Nice and bright white cabinetry. Really looks nice. It's a nice contrast to the dark beams. Windows up above, keeping it nice and bright, but still has some privacy. And room in the corner for a television there. And we open up to the kitchen. Normally on this plan there would be a half wall here with a column coming down right at that corner. Come down with shelves, but she chose to eliminate that to bring more open feel to the area. So we've got a nice big dining area here. Kitchen has a huge island, which is beautiful, with a granite countertop. And then she did a combination of stained island with the white cabinetry. It really came out nicely. Got a cooktop there, built-in oven. Looks like that's a convection oven as well. And then behind us, we've got a beautiful deck, or screen porch, and a grilled deck. So it doesn't look like the screening is out here yet. Like I say, we're just completing. So she chose to do this black wrought iron railing, which is a nice change. It adds more an open feel to overlook that beautiful pond. Normally it's wood. We've got the Trex decking here, and then a nice grill deck over here with plenty of space to be able to put a couple chairs out here and a grill. Oh, it's just a beautiful lot. I wouldn't mind sitting out here. It's just beautiful. I'll come back in. You'll notice my blue footies here. Not just anyone can pull this look off. All right, we'll come through. We've got a pantry here, which she customized some shelving in there, melamine shelving, which really is a lot of space in there. So, she did a great job designing that. Lots of drawers in the kitchen too. And we'll come down the hall here into the half bath off of the down the hallway here. Sorry. Yeah. So there's a half bath. Transom window above that as well. Nice. And then coming into the master bedroom. Wow. Love the chandelier. It's beautiful. She did bump this out 2 feet, they did. So cantilever, making the bedroom a little bit larger, which is really nice. Oh wow. Coming into the master bath. I'm just saying this for the first time too, so wow, that's beautiful. We've got a corner walk-in shower. Tile is gorgeous. That honeycomb tile on the floor and then a marble look tile on the walls. Really nice. And a freestanding tub. She did wainscoting around. They chose to do that, and wow, was that pretty. Nice window above. Archway above the tub. Yeah. Water closet here with a pocket door. And it looks like they've got heated floors in the bathroom, which will be nice. And we've got dual vanities, a couple of framed mirrors, and the lighting's very nice as well. Coming into the master closet. Melamine shelving again is standard in our plans. We kind of to personalize it to your own liking. Transom window in the closet here is an upgraded feature, but I think it's really a great idea to bring in extra light, more natural light as you're picking out what you're going to wear. Then we come into the laundry room. Nice big washer and dryer, front loads. Got a great space over here for folding. And you can put laundry baskets below. You can put a hamper. If you have pets, you can put a crate, pet food dishes, whatnot. Love the color of the stain that she did. That's beautiful. Very nice. Got a bench here, built-in bench, custom crafted by our carpenters. Some cubbies down below for baskets. Put hats and gloves, whatnot in. Got a closet here, mudroom. And we've got the garage here right at the end. All of our garages here are standard 3-car garages, and it looks like there was enamel flooring put down in here, which is, wow, is that nice? Really, really nice. You'll keep it clean and mop it up quick. Any snow and dirt from your car. Great. That's handy too as well. Bring it down the hall to the office. Some nice built-ins in here. We've got a built-in desk on the left side here with some cabinets above. Great for storage. Plenty of room in here, and then a built-in cabinet on the other side of the wall as well. So, great workspace. Very nicely done. We'll come down to the lower level. We've got wrought iron here with which is a slight upgrade from wood spindles, but nice. All right, down to the family room here. Got a natural gas fireplace down here, which really is nice. I love how they did the crown molding above, beautifully stained in that rich dark color. Very nice. Lots of light down here. Beautiful view of that pond once again. We've got a cement patio out there too, so you could have seating down here as well to overlook that amazing space. And we've got a walk-up wet bar, which is really done well too. I love the granite up on top. Nice big beverage fridge. Sink there too for convenience. Then beautiful picture window. Bringing in lots of light. And just a beautiful view. These are 8-foot ceilings down here, knockdown ceilings, 9 foot on the main level. I'll come down the hall to the 2 bedrooms that are down here. Oh, we've got a bath as well. So the bath looks like it has a nice glass door on it and ceramic tile. Beautiful. Got a linen closet. Again, that gorgeous tile, that same tile that was upstairs in the master bath. I love it. Coming into bedroom number 2. Nice big closet. Some right in here with a window. And bedroom 3. Doing a great view for your guests. If you have guests over. And closet. So also got a exercise room too, which I'll show you right down the hall here. Partially finished. Not sure what is going to happen on the floor in here. Maybe some kind of rubber floor or something. But really nice lighting in here. It's nice and bright. Big room, plenty of space. And then we've got the mechanical room, still leaving you with plenty of storage space. Plenty to work with in here. Got all your mechanicals, your water softener, water heater, furnace, air exchanger. Yeah. Well, thank you so much for joining me on a tour today. I hope you enjoyed it. Give me a call. I'd love to show you some other plans or this one in particular. Thanks so much.